The following message is transmitted at the request of the civil authorities. 7 days ago, we have been getting reports from countries saying that they noticed temperatures were rising by more than 10 degrees Celsius. We aren't sure what the cause of this as of now, but all we know is an event known as SCP-001. When the sun will rise in temperature, the American government tried to launch missiles at the sun, but this only worsened the situation. All hope has been lost, and there is nothing we can do. The entire border of America has been closed to prevent it spreading to other countries. Stay tuned to NOAA All Hazards for more info.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dallas Police Department. Residents in Dallas are advised to seek shelter immediately, because we have reported that the infected are turning into waxy goo figures that are trying to break through people's homes. If you are indoors, if you are outside, seek immediate shelter. Stay tuned to NOAA All Hazards Weather Radio for more information. Shelter-in-place warning in effect. Residents in Texas are advised to seek shelter as SCP-001 is beginning to spread throughout America. This is a life-threatening situation. Seek shelter immediately. Civil danger warning for Texas. This is a dangerous situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. We now believe that a zombie apocalypse is imminent. I repeat, a zombie apocalypse is imminent. You are advised to seek shelter and lock all doors and windows. This is a very dangerous situation. Take cover now. Attention now, SCP-001 has spread to Utah. 1,523 people have been infected. This is a life or death situation. Take cover now. If you are in Texas or Utah, take cover immediately. Shelter may not be enough to protect you. Move to an interior room of a sturdy building. Alert! The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. SCP-001 can be deadly. Time to stay safe now. It is best to hide underground in a bunker. Stay safe and do not panic. This message is being broadcasted at the request of the United States government. Please stand by. The United States has fallen to SCP-001. We are sorry that we failed to stop the spread of SCP-001. All hope has been lost, and there is nothing we can do. This will now mark the final alert from the United States government. This alert will not end with the national anthem of the United States.